Hey guys, I'm going to do this quick video to review all the steps you need to do to complete your focus notes. So I'm starting with the last page of notes that we took on introductory paragraphs. I already had my notes, so the next thing I'm doing is annotating. Step 1 is to draw my dividing lines between chunks. This is why I tell you guys to skip lines between new ideas. Then I number my chunks. I go back and I circle keywords. So when you're talking about how long a paragraph must be, you need to circle the word sentences. You have to know what that is. You have to know what words are. And you need to know what a distinctive thesis is. Keywords in chunk 2, hook, relate, background. Keywords in chunk 3, hooks, quote, fact, shocking, thought-provoking, anecdote. Okay? So now I have circled my keywords. I should highlight main ideas. So I am going to highlight must have, 3 to 5 sentences, 40 words, distinctive thesis. Should also get attention, relate, give background. Attention getting hooks. Powerful quote, little known fact, shocking detail or statistic, thought-provoking question, personal story, explain importance. Don't. I gave you some slides on don't. Don't introduce yourself. Don't list what you're going to write about. And don't ask a lame question. So now I've highlighted main ideas. That's my annotation. Now I am ready to write my summary. So to write my summary, step 1 is to reread my essential questions. They're at the top. What is an introductory paragraph? How do you write an introduction? What I'm supposed to do first in my summary is answer that. I like to give 2 essential questions, especially since in distance learning we're doing a semester twice as fast. So here are my answers. The intro is the first paragraph of an essay. You begin with a hook, relate it to the thesis, and end with your thesis. So now I answered those 2. Now I need to give a single sentence summary of these 3 or 4 chunks. Let's see what I did. It needs 3 to 5 sentences and 40 words. And so since I already said this part about the hook right here, I didn't put it again. There are 6 different kinds of hooks. Instead of listing them, I just said there are 6 different ones. And then I ran out of room, but I should put there are some don'ts. The third step, the last thing I must do for my focus notes is add 3 level 1 questions. And it worked out almost perfectly on this page of notes because there are 4 chunks. So I put a level 1 question on each chunk. Here's my chunk dividing line. So I have 1 question for this chunk. My question is, how long does the intro have to be? That is a level 1 because I see the answer right here. If it's a level 1 question, you will be able to point to the answer. They seem easy, but these are the kind of questions that will show up on a quiz or a test. Do you always need to give background? No, right here it says if it's necessary, give necessary background. Sometimes it's not necessary. And then, what does thought-provoking mean? Hey, I might need to look that word up so I know what these notes are saying. So there's a level 1 question for me right there. These steps do not take very long. And once you start practicing these on your notes, you'll see that I'm right. These will all be due next Wednesday. So you've got the weekend to work on them if you don't want to wait until next week. Have a great day.